Let's begin with something simple but essential. Greetings and introductions in English. We greet people every day. Whether you're meeting someone new, talking to a friend, or entering a store, greetings help you sound polite and friendly. Let's learn the most common ones. Start with the basics. Hello. Hi. These are general greetings. You can say them at any time of day. Hello is a little more formal. Hi is more casual, something you'd say to a friend. Now, let's look at time-specific greetings. These depend on what time of day it is. Good morning, used before 12 p.m., noon. Good afternoon, used after 12 p.m. and before evening. Good evening, used after 6 p.m. So if you see someone at 9 a.m., you say, good morning. If it's 2 p.m., good afternoon. And at 7 p.m., you say, good evening. Now repeat after me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Now let's learn how to say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. See you later. Take care. See you soon. Goodbye is formal. Bye is more casual and common. See you later, or see you soon, is friendly and suggests you'll meet again. Let's try a full example. Imagine this. You, good morning. Other person, good morning. You, bye, see you later. Other person, take care. Let's say it together. Ready? Good morning. Good morning. Bye, see you later. Take care. Well done. Now let's move to introductions. How to talk about your name. There are two main ways to tell someone your name. My name is So if your name is Anna, you can say, my name is Anna, or I'm Anna. Let's try it. Repeat after me. My name is Now fill in your real name. Go ahead. Say it out loud. Now, how do you ask someone their name? You say, what's your name? Short for, what is your name? Say it with me. What's your name? Now let's build a conversation using these phrases. Mini dialogue. You, hi. Other person. Hello. You, what's your name? Other person. My name is Brian. What's your name? You, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Other person. Nice to meet you too. Now let's read it again, slower. Repeat after me. Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name is Brian. What's your name? I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Great job. That's a real, natural introduction. Now let's add another phrase. How are you? This is a polite question we often ask after saying hello. It means, are you doing okay? How do you feel? Here are a few common answers. I'm good, thank you. I'm fine. How about you? Not bad. I'm okay. Let's practice a longer exchange. You, hi. Other person. Hello. You, how are you? Other person. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? You, I'm good, thanks. What's your name? Other person. My name is Maya. You, I'm James. Nice to meet you. Other person. Nice to meet you too. Now it's your turn. Try saying this full conversation out loud. Pause the video if you need more time. Practice activity. Now let's practice. Answer these questions out loud. What's your name? How are you? Can you say good morning and good evening? How do you say goodbye? Try to answer in full sentences. Example. My name is Carlos. I'm fine, thank you. Good morning. Good evening. Goodbye. Tip. When speaking, say your words clearly. Don't speak too fast. It's okay to pause and think. Let's do another practice dialogue. This one is a bit more natural. Dialogue example 2. You, hello, my name is Kevin. Other person. Hi Kevin, I'm Julia. You. Nice to meet you, Julia. Other person. Nice to meet you too. How are you? You. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? Other person. I'm good. Where are you from? That's a sneak peek of our next lesson. Assignment. In the comments, write this sentence. Hi, my name is, your name. I'm learning English. Nice to meet you. This helps you practice your writing and lets me know who you are. For example, hi, my name is Amina. I'm learning English. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is John. I'm learning English. Nice to meet you. Review time. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning or afternoon or evening. Goodbye, bye, see you later. Introductions. My name is. I'm. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Extra phrases. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. That's it for today's lesson on greetings and introductions. You've done a fantastic job. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Speak out loud, watch the video again, and write your own dialogues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more beginner English lessons. Every video will help you speak better English step by step. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.